Gas prices have become a guessing game. One day it's affordable, the next it's through the roof. At the same time, people are trying to be more eco-conscious, but fully electric cars still come with their own challenges. They can be expensive, charging networks aren't always reliable, and not everyone can install a charger at home. That's why hybrid cars are becoming a popular middle ground. You get the fuel savings, fewer emissions, and no need to worry about finding a charger on every trip. Let's talk about why hybrid cars like the Toyota Prius, Honda Accord Hybrid, and even the Ford Escape Hybrid might be the smartest choice you can make right now. 10. You get the best of both worlds. One of the biggest advantages of hybrid cars is that they offer a perfect balance between gas and electric power. Instead of choosing one over the other, you get the strengths of both. Take the Toyota Prius as an example. It's been a trusted name in hybrids for over 20 years, and it's easy to see why. The Prius can switch between its gasoline engine and electric motor depending on how you're driving. In slow traffic or during city commutes, the electric motor often takes over, which saves you fuel and reduces emissions. When you're on the highway or taking longer trips, the gas engine kicks in, so you never have to worry about running out of battery or stopping to charge. This combination gives you better fuel efficiency than a regular gas car while avoiding the range limitations of fully electric vehicles. You don't need a home charging setup, and there's no pressure to change your driving habits. It's an easy and practical step toward cleaner driving. If you're someone who wants to save money on gas and be more environmentally friendly without fully committing to electric, hybrid cars offer a comfortable and smart transition. 9. No need to worry about charging. Electric vehicles can be amazing, but there's one big concern that never seems to go away: charging. If you live in an apartment, rent a place without a garage, or simply travel often, charging an EV isn't always convenient. Hybrid cars like the Honda Accord Hybrid or Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid don't need to be plugged in. The battery charges itself while you drive. That's a huge relief for people who don't want to deal with installing a home charger or hunting down public charging stations. You fill up at a regular gas station, and the car takes care of the rest. 8. Better fuel economy without drastic change. Most people would love to spend less money on gas, but they don't want to completely change how they drive. Hybrid cars make that possible. The 2025 Honda Accord Hybrid gets up to 48 miles per gallon. That's nearly double what many regular sedans get, and you don't have to drive differently or learn anything new. The car does all the work. It switches between electric and gas power automatically. For the average driver, that means you can drive to work, run errands, or go on weekend trips while stopping for gas a lot less often. 7. More options than ever before. At one time, the Toyota Prius was basically the only hybrid car on the market, but now you've got choices. Whether you want a compact like the Hyundai Elantra Hybrid, a family sedan like the Toyota Camry Hybrid, or even a small SUV like the Ford Escape Hybrid, there's something for everyone. Car manufacturers are adding hybrid versions to their most popular models, and they're not just focusing on fuel economy anymore. These hybrids also come with the same tech features, comfort, and safety options as their non-hybrid versions. You're not sacrificing style or performance. 6. Government incentives and lower ownership costs. One of the great perks of owning a hybrid car is the potential for government incentives. Depending on where you live, you could qualify for tax credits, rebates, or other financial benefits just for choosing a more fuel-efficient vehicle. But even if there are no incentives in your area, hybrid cars can still save you money in the long run. Insurance rates for hybrids are sometimes lower, and you'll likely spend less on fuel and maintenance. Since hybrids often run on electric power during low-speed driving, the gas engine doesn't have to work as hard. This means less wear and tear, leading to fewer repairs over time. Models like the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid also come with regenerative braking, which not only charges the battery but also reduces strain on the brake system. Fewer brake pad replacements and less engine stress mean lower upkeep costs. Over time, these small savings add up, making hybrids a smart and economical choice. 5. Quieter and smoother drives. If you've ever driven a hybrid car, you'll know how quiet they are. When they switch to electric mode, there's barely a sound. It's especially noticeable in traffic or residential areas, The Ford Escape Hybrid is a great example. It glides through neighborhoods almost silently when running on battery power. That makes for a much calmer, more relaxing ride. On top of that, hybrids are designed to shift between gas and electric smoothly. You won't feel a jolt or hear a loud engine start up. For people who commute or spend a lot of time driving, it makes a real difference in comfort. Fourth, longer driving range. One thing that's often overlooked about hybrid cars is how far they can go on a full tank. Electric cars are getting better with range, but hybrids still win in this category. The 2025 Toyota Prius, for instance, has a combined range of over 600 miles. That's almost double what many electric cars offer. If you do a lot of highway driving or take road trips, this is a huge advantage. You don't have to plan your route around charging stations or worry about waiting 30 minutes to power up. Just drive until the tank is low and fill up like normal. 3. Great for urban driving. If you live in a city or suburban area with traffic lights and stop-and-go driving, hybrid cars really shine. That's because they often switch to electric power when you're going slow. The Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid, for example, barely uses any gas when crawling in traffic. It also uses regenerative braking, which means it recharges the battery every time you slow down. Over time, that adds up to real fuel savings. You'll notice you're filling up way less often than you used to. For people with short commutes or a lot of errands, this is one of the biggest benefits. 2. Reliable and proven technology. Some people still worry that hybrid technology is too new or too complicated. But here's the thing, it's been around for over 20 years. The Toyota Prius hit the market in 1997. Since then, millions of hybrids have been sold around the world. The tech has been tested, refined, and improved year after year. Brands like Toyota and Honda have a reputation for reliability, and their hybrid models are no exception. If anything, the hybrid systems in these cars are often more dependable because they take pressure off the gas engine. You're not rolling the dice when you buy one. You're investing in something that's already proven. 1. A smart step toward the future. Let's be honest, gas-powered cars won't be around forever. Many countries and automakers are already planning to phase them out in the next couple of decades. But not everyone is ready to jump into a fully electric future just yet. Hybrid cars offer a smart, affordable way to transition. You start saving fuel and lowering emissions now, without the stress of charging stations or range limits. Cars like the Toyota Prius, Honda Accord Hybrid, and Ford Escape Hybrid help you move forward without rushing the process. It's a realistic, flexible way to be part of the solution. Hybrid cars might not be the flashiest choice, but they're one of the smartest. They save fuel, cut emissions, offer long range, and fit into your life without big changes. Whether you're driving through city streets or heading out on a weekend trip, a hybrid keeps things simple, efficient, and cost-effective. If you've been wondering what kind of car makes the most sense today, a hybrid might just be your answer. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit like, share it with someone thinking about a new car, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.